What is the best gift for fathers? Are you still struggling to choose a gift for your dad this year? If your father is a DIY mechanic enthusiast, their biggest headache isn't being unable to fix the car, but rather lacking the right tools. The right tools make the job half the work. This heavy-duty equipment mechanic toolbox might be the perfect choice for you this year. Check out this 140-piece heavy-duty toolbox, built with reliable chrome vanadium steel. It's got 45-tooth ratchets, a 3-jaw oil filter wrench, circuit tester, and more. Whether you're a home DIY enthusiast or a professional heavy-duty mechanic, this toolbox is worth a look, and I bet you will love to receive it as a gift. When you're dealing with frequent removal and installation, a ratchet wrench like this can easily become your best helper. In this toolkit, you get 3 ratchets, a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch ratchet, covering everything from light-duty tasks to heavy-duty applications. Thanks to the ratcheting mechanism, you don't need to lift the wrench after every turn, which makes repetitive work faster and more efficient. And when you pair these ratchets with the socket set, you're ready for almost any job. With both deep sockets and shallow sockets included, you can easily work in tight spaces while still handling standard fasteners with confidence. With a wide range of socket sizes and drive types, it could be the best socket set for mechanic. How to use the socket set? It's actually very simple. Just find the corresponding ratchet wrench for the socket size. For example, select the appropriate size 1/4 inch socket and combine it with the 1/4 ratchet wrench to begin your disassembly work. It's that easy. We've all been there. You're elbow deep in an engine bay, trying to reach a bolt that's tucked behind a bracket. Your standard ratchet won't fit, and your knuckles are about one slip away from a bad afternoon. In those moments, you realize that having the best mechanic tool set isn't about how many pieces are in the box. It's about having the right reach for the job. But for those types of situations, the real heroes are the extensions. You can find a 10-inch extension for your 1/2 inch drive when you need serious leverage, a 3-inch for your 3/8 inch daily tasks, and a 2-inch for those tight 1/4 inch precision spots. The mechanic toolkit includes a reliable circuit tester for chasing down electrical gremlins, and a heavy-duty 3-jaw oil filter wrench that actually grips when things get greasy. This setup covers nearly every scenario you'll face in the shop or out in the field. It's built for the DIY budget, making it arguably the best mechanic tool set for anyone who values their time and their knuckles. Good tools deserve a serious storage solution. This whole set clocks in at 20.28 pounds, so you need a case that can handle the weight. We're talking a reinforced, crush-proof, and waterproof shell that won't warp or crack on you. No matter how nasty the environment gets, your gear stays protected. Plus, it's got these quick-release latches so you can swap from storage mode to work mode in seconds. So it can be both a heavy-duty equipment mechanic toolbox and a high-efficiency mobile workstation at the same time. So if you've got a DIY repair enthusiast in your family, this set is going to save them a fortune in shop fees. It's the ultimate way to respect their skills and keep them moving. All right, if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to follow up for more mechanic advice. We'll see you on the next one.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.